Welcome to Average Joe True North. Today I am going to show you a handheld air raid siren. And just a reminder, we have a contest. That mug you see there, it's a 40-ounce kind of Stanley style mug. We'll be giving that away with a bunch of other swag, just one prize. So stick around, and when we get to 1,000, we'll be doing that contest, or shortly after 1,000. Happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Hope you enjoy your day. So a little bit gloomy today, but nice and green. So here is that kind of World War II style air raid siren. And that little clicker there opens up the fan to where it's louder, and when you don't close it, it's kind of muffled. So we'll do it with the muffled first, and then we'll go full blast. Okay, first off, you gotta make sure to turn it the right direction. You had it the wrong direction there a couple times. Okay, that is the muffled version. Okay, now we're gonna do the unmuffled version, so we get the full sound going on here. All right. So I'm going to be doing a series of short little videos of just little survival gadgets and things, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all on the next video.